Greetings, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, July the 21st, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, well, let's check and see where we left on the market here today. So let's pull up the SPX. So SPX ended up 5 points today, so still a green candle here on the monthly chart. Weekly chart, look at this, guys. We got into the weekly gap. Can you believe it? After all this Corona crash, I mean, we're basically just a little bit of a pullback here from the all-time highs. I mean, really amazing stuff. So rejected the gap so far, but we got a couple days left this week, 3 trading days left this week. So a little bit of a reddish spinning top right here. We had over $1 billion on the sell side MOC, but it's just because they're a little bit nervous by the bears that are hiding in the gap right there. But let's see how that goes, see what it comes up with. We're still holding the upward trend line and see where we go from there. Let's take a look at the intraday price action after we pull up the SPY right here. So SPY, guys, we actually had a couple good trades on the SPY today, but wow, they were quick and they were fast and you had to be there for it, right? So it was like, we had a couple breakdowns here that were really interesting, right? So we had this, let me get the trend line up here, right? So we had this. Right, so we had a nice breakdown right here, and then this breakdown here was just beautiful. We got a couple nice trades here, and we got a couple nice trades at the close too. So that was a good job here on the SPY today. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, it was choppy most of the day, guys. You just had to sit and wait for it. So it's a good thing we have our Discord group because it at least allows us to remind each other not to force trades, things like that. So that was a good thing. So anyway, guys, really tight range today. We started to triangulate here. We got a little bit of a move out here, but then we came up to that macro upper trend line right here, where it was actually shortable. We got real tight right here, and then we dropped. Right, so it gave a nice move. It was a quick momentum move here through this pivot level here. And once we cleared these lows of the day, give a nice move to our signal zone down here, right? And then a little bit of a bounce off of it. And then we had another short right here at the end of the day for a nice little move. Just trying to get out of these signal zones down here, but I just couldn't quite get it there on that. But still a good trade either way. The MES, again, same stuff. We're going to keep an eye on this tonight. So we got a lot of levels that we're going to be looking at here. So again, the signal zones we talked about, but also definitely keep an eye on this trend line right here going into tomorrow. So that should be interesting as well. Let's say with the Qs. Okay, so guys, huge divergences today. Huge divergences today again, right? So today the Qs were weak and the SPY was strong, and then the Dow was strong, and it was just all over the place, right? So again, just pay attention to those divergences, right? So the Qs were weak right here. They came up to its 15-hour low, right, as opposed to SPY being kind of towards more its high, right? And then you had that nice rejection off of that 15-hour low, right? So sort of a sideways head and shoulders right here too, right? Nice little breakdown out of those levels right there. So that was a good move there on the Qs at the end of the day, right? The IWM. Kind of its own little world a little bit, just kind of chopping around, but there was some interesting stocks out there that were pretty strong. So we saw oil stocks were strong today, bank stocks were strong today, so pretty cool stuff there. Apple was not strong today, right? So Apple was kind of just like sort of like this slow drift down, right, down 5 points, right? This came back too, hit its just like the Qs right here, hit its 15-hour blow, and then it bounced off of that one. So pretty cool stuff there, right? And then Tesla, Tesla, we had some members that shorted this one today, right? They broke the rules of Tesla, but if you're gonna break the rules of Tesla, at least do it in style, right? So we had a nice triangle. Remember we talked about the triangle up yesterday on Tesla, right here. Here's the triangle down on Tesla today. It came back up, retested those triangles because it's a tight one, right? And then it kind of dropped back down again. So that's a nice one on there. JP Morgan, this is a good one here this morning too. So banks were strong. So JP Morgan did really well. This is about a 50% retrace here off of its initial strong. Yeah, right there. There you go. 50% retrace right here. So it gave a nice move up on JP Morgan today, and then just kind of chopped around to the close. Oil and energy stocks were on fire today. Big volume coming into them today. So ExxonMobil was a great one right here inside 15 up for a nice move up there, and just kind of then it chopped around into the end of the day. Okay, so good stuff there. A couple earnings that are going to be on the radar for tonight. Texas Instruments had an earnings beat. So let's see if that can help get the semiconductors up tomorrow. XOM we already looked at. Let's see. So Snap, let's take a look. So Snap with earnings tonight, I guess, a little conference call type thing going on here. So yeah, so earnings today after hours. So it's kind of moving down on that one. So just be careful with that there. And then AMTD. So actually posted a beat on earnings there. It's like, okay, good. So you guys are making a good profit despite having the no commission. So that's a good thing. Can you step up the customer service and keep your servers up, especially at the open when it's really volatile? We'd really appreciate it. So anyway, good stuff there, guys. Well, I hope everybody had a great trading day today. We're looking forward to seeing you guys tonight on the free YouTube live stream. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube and hit the notification and check out the links in the description. So thanks again, everybody, for your support. We'll see you guys there at 9:30 Eastern time. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.